Wagwan guys, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you how to make an animated cartoon picture of yourself using the PicsArt app, and of course I am using an Android phone. So yes, stay tuned if you want to see the rest of the video. Yes guys, so I just made that intro video. Let me know what you think of the intro video in the comment section. Alright, so first and foremost, you're gonna go to Google, you're gonna type in dripping image and allow it to load. Then you're gonna choose one of the image that you prefer and you're gonna download it. Download and back to your screen. Now we're gonna go to but before I do that, I'm gonna turn off my data and I'm going to go to the PicsArt. So we're gonna click off this annoying ad and then we're gonna start. Alright, so we're gonna go to pictures. You're gonna find whichever picture you're gonna use. So we're just gonna choose one of these image, this one. Then we're gonna go to crop and then you're gonna press person. Now what this does, it crops the entire picture and leaves the background. There we go. Now we're gonna erase the edge where you see that little white spot is. And there we have it. So we're just gonna click on save that arrow on the top of the screen, then you discard it. And yeah, so now we're gonna head back to where you see background. So I'm gonna choose the white one. Yes, then you're gonna click on stickers, then you're gonna choose cutouts and add the picture to the background. Then I'm just gonna zoom this in and set it how you want it to be set. Reset it, slant it, rotate it, whatever you want to do to it, you can do to it. There you have it. Then you're gonna go into your images again. You're gonna choose the dripping effect. You're gonna add it to the picture and you're gonna stretch it out. You're gonna go to blend and you're gonna set it to the photo size, adjusting it to the photo. Then you're gonna click blend, then you're gonna go to multiple. Wait. Then you're gonna adjust it to this picture. So you're gonna pull it down, fix it in the way you want it to be fixed. after you finish setting the dripping image on the bottom of the picture, then you're gonna go back, turn on your data, you're gonna go to effects, and you're gonna click on the magic effects, then you're gonna click on flora, and it will give you this cartoon effect. You can also go and feel around, look around on the effects that are there, and choose the one that you wish to use. Now this thing that you see me pulling is the fade, how light or how bright you want the effect to be on your picture. So you're gonna adjust that and allow it to change. Go ahead and test out the different effects. See if you want it in that picture or that way. Yeah. So keep on watching, guys. And I think that's about it. Now we're gonna go to shape mask. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is. And we're gonna change. We're gonna make a circle around this picture. So the capacity is how solid or how transparent do you want the image around. So you're gonna change the color and add, remove the circle around, and color, and we're gonna play around to see what color we want. Go ahead and change the color, guys. And if you don't want the color from there, you can get a color from a background from the apps gallery. So you can choose a background from there. But for now, I am going to choose this color and play around with it until I am satisfied. And yeah. Yes guys, so I'm just gonna choose this pic for now. I'm gonna crop it. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm just gonna save this. You're gonna click the arrow on the top of the screen, and then it's gonna bring you to the saving screen. You're gonna press save, and you save it. Again guys, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. It keeps you posted whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.